Hello developers, welcome to Rich PHP. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about PHP basic code structure, how to write PHP code. Just like HTML, PHP also need a tag. In PHP, we open PHP tags like less than symbol, question mark and PHP to start PHP code in it. Also like the HTML tag, we need to close the PHP tag by just typing a question mark and a greater than symbol. In between PHP tag, we write PHP code, and also don't forget the file that we save to write the code. Extension must be .php. In the .php extension, you can write HTML code, just need to inform the server that we are using PHP binary. To use an extension, you simply connect it to your application's PHP binary. Make sure file save in the htdocs folder. Each folder that you create in htdocs is treated as the website. So first create a folder in htdocs and in that folder save the file as index.php. For Ubuntu user, htdocs folder for XAMPP is in the root opt lam htdocs folder you can find, and for Windows user, htdocs can find in the XAMPP folder that you create during installation. Here demo folder is treated as one individual website. After saving the file, start the local server XAMPP from the terminal like sudo /opt/lam/lam start. Once you start the server, run PHP code by just typing localhost folder name demo. It will open the index.php file and run PHP code from that file. Also, I need to tell you that the last line of code in PHP does not need any semicolons. You can run directly without semicolons. Remember that only the last line allow without a semicolon, but all lines that write before the last line must have a semicolons. In PHP, there is also a shortcut for echo. I don't know why, but most tutorials do not even mention this. Maybe there has some problem that I don't know about. To use the echo shortcut, just use the less than symbol, then question mark, then equal to sign, then again question mark and a greater than symbol. It is used only for a single echo print. To write HTML code, simply create an HTML skeleton. You can open a PHP tag in any place in HTML. If you write CSS in a PHP file, you can use PHP variable in CSS also. As you can see, you can easily use PHP variable in CSS. Also remember that if you create an external CSS file with extension .css, then you cannot able to use PHP variable in it. Also same with JavaScript file, write an internal JS file, pass the PHP variable to JS variable, it will display the value of that variable. Also remember that you can create CSS and JS external with the PHP extension, just include that file in the correct place. That's it guys for today. Hope you learned something new. Thank you and keep supporting, and won't forget to like, comment and share. Bye bye. See you in the next tutorial.